This is inaccurate. You cannot wash off silicone with a sulfate-free shampoo. If you remember, pinost namin to last time.
You need to use these for at least 2 weeks for optimal results and to make sure that the silicone from the old conditioners that you were using have been washed off.
Which turned out to not be correct at all pala. The commenter mentioned doing a final wash, which is absolutely the best way to clean off silicone. It's basically to strip off all of the silicones and yung buildups dun sa hair natin. Yung iba nga actually gumagamit pa daw ng dishwashing liquid para matanggal talaga. This is actually a practice that's derived from the Curly Girl method, which, by the way, we also have a brand for curlies out there called Curls by Zen Nutrients. Anywho, after washing your hair, it's really gonna get dry daw pala talaga, and that's when you double down with conditioning your hair with a silicone-free conditioner. Thank you so much for schooling us. So, sobrang importante ng mga feedback na ganito sa amin kasi mas natututunan pa namin paano ba talaga natin mapapangalagaan ang ating hair to lessen the hair fall. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye!